I think in the case of my business, our marketing efforts or promotion efforts, 80% of the promotion and marketing we do has nothing to even do with our product. We spend a lot of time educating farmers and farmer organizations and agribusinesses, or in our particular case, the circles that we work with. We spend a lot of our time educating them about, the broader digitization, the benefits, the values, the whys, and the hows. And 80% of our effort actually goes to that, and it's only 10% of the investment and time we put into promoting our service that actually is committed to products and features.
So what we are delivering is a dashboard solution, we are delivering SMS solution, and we are delivering mobile application. But when you look at it, the population on the northern part of Kenya, the level of literacy the level of illiteracy is so high. So there is the aspect of the normal illiteracy and also more so the digital literacy, where now I believe the digital literacy is the new literacy that we need to adopt. But if you've not even achieved the normal basic education, now upscaling this to digital literacy has been a big challenge. So what we are now grappling with is how best to deliver this information given the gap that is there in terms of the digital literacy.
We already have 10,000 of subscribers, of farmers and stakeholders of agricultural value chain subscribing to our information and advices. But to be completely sustainable, like profitable, I would say, we need to pass to 100,000 of farmers, of stakeholders. And this is a big challenge because you can reach 10,000 people doing a hard job on the ground, but 100,000 people in very, very broad countryside with low infrastructure, with bad roads, it's a very big investment, and so far we are not be able to face this investment.
One of the things when you bring a digital solution, there is a lot of education. When you are convinced that this will work, you have also to take more time to educate the people around you, the people that you want to target, what exactly you are providing. So you need really to show them how important this is and how it's going to make their life easier or improve in their work. So that is that part that you have to be very patient and be able to speak their language and educate. So we did a lot of that, a lot of presentation, a lot of training, and that has been exciting. At the same time, a lot of patience is needed.
And if you don't have that type of patience and resilience, then you shouldn't even attempt to do it.